Today we will fix fail to set user defined inspected property on storyboard. In my example, I am getting warning on roundness property. I am just looking for that property. I have used that in main storyboard. For a play now button, I have assigned custom class custom button. So, and I'm going for a custom button class file, but there is no designable property implemented for roundness. This is the root cause for this warning. We can simply remove it to avoid this problem. I just removed and building the application. Yes, it's run without any error. And now we will see how to implement that property to get a rounded button. Now we are using that property to set a corner radius. It will give the rounded button. When you need a more number of rounded buttons in a different view controllers, you can define these custom classes, and you no need to write a more number of codes. You just say these properties in the storyboard level. Yes, run these applications. Now we can get the required output without any runtime errors or warnings. Thank you.